Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today I have a very nice Lexus for your consideration. This is a 2016 Lexus RX350 all-wheel drive. And this has many nice options on it, which we will go over and read most of those off in this video. But they total over $9,000 in factory installed options. It's a very nice place to be looking at this Lexus and being inside it as well. We'll go over the general condition, including the cargo compartments, interior, and engine bay, and we'll talk about the current service status of it as well. If you're new to the channel, welcome to AlphaCars. We share daily motoring content, so definitely subscribe so then you don't miss out on awesome vehicles like this Lexus. But now, let's take a closer look at this RX350. First, we'll go over the exterior condition. We did polish this Lexus, so the paint is in very nice shape. You can see it reflects very nicely, has a lot of depth to it. I really like this shade of blue as well. I think it's a very attractive color. Taking a look at the wheel condition. The tires, front and rear, are at 75% material remaining. And the front and rear brakes are brand new. We installed them here as part of some of the value-added improvements. We really went through this Lexus to ensure the next owner will have many stress-free miles, making sure no service items were shortly due. Once again, we've got those brand new rotors. We can see they are high-quality parts as well. We can see the rotor hats are painted so then they won't rust. And once again, the paint just presents very nicely. And even showing you the roof, we can see that's in very nice shape as well. And I'll look down the panel so you can see any dings or dents. It all looks very, very nice. So now I'm gonna start in the cargo compartment, show you the condition of that. And then when we get into the interior, I will talk about the packages this car has. Well, I will mention the power lift tailgate is one of the optional extras. Very nice shape. We've got a set of rubber mats to go with the car and the original carpet ones. You can see they all present very, very nice. And if I move these over, they look very nice. I don't really see any signs of wear. We know, especially on the carpet mats, they show signs of wear, pretty immediately compared to a rubber mat that might hold up a bit better. So that is nice to see. And all the material and the edges of the cargo compartment look great too. And of course, there's this nice rubber liner that lines the floor. So if I remove all the mats here for you, I can show you that it's in very nice shape, and that'll protect the original carpet liner, which is also in very nice shape. There's a couple little things on it because I had taken this out to take pictures and put it back in, and there's a couple things on the bottom, but you can see it's in very nice shape. And even showing you underneath, we got the original spare wheel and tire. And this actually lifts up so we can see the original toolkit, which is complete right there, and additional storage, which is a very nice option. Now all we have to do is hit our button. We hear the audible beep, and it'll lower very nicely. So now all we have to do is walk to the driver's seat and be on our way. And of course, as you saw, you can double tap that button and it will lock the car once it completes the closing. So taking a look in the interior now, you can see all the door jambs are in very nice shape, including where the looms are. Interior presents very nicely. I like the center armrest. This comes down, very comfortable. There's storage in here, and then a flip-out cup holder. All very nice. I like the contrast too with the black and kind of brown upholstery. And one of the options this car has is a matte linear dark mocha wood interior trim option. So if I look around the front, we can see that beautiful wood trim on those door cards and on the center console. And just checking out the condition, the carpet all looks very nice. And of course we have our protective plastic on there since we detailed it. And the vents are in very nice shape as well, and they all work properly. And of course the door card presents beautifully as well with that wood trim. You can see there's no tears or scuffs. And I'll show you the driver's rear door. Once again, very nice shape. The gaskets, the plastic, the door card itself, and of course, this side of the vehicle. Now, as we make our way to the front passenger, so things get a bit more exciting with the dash and infotainment. We've got our controls. All the buttons are in very nice shape. Nothing's kind of worn away. And there's a cool feature with the cup holders I'll show you when I'm in the driver's seat. We've got storage here, and additional USB ports. And once again, the leather, the material all presents very nicely. And even I appreciate the plastic kind of getting into the vehicle, the plastic kind of kick panels, and especially right here, it's not all scratched or scuffed up like people, kind of carelessly enter the vehicle. Glove box works very smoothly, as we can see. And we do have the original owner's manual. There's even a navigation system owner's manual, and of course the big owner's manual. And there's other documents included in here as well that come with the vehicle. So as I put this back, very nice to see all this included. You can tell the previous owner really cared for the car, as that was not lost or misplaced. And now just taking a look at the jambs of this door. All presents very, very nice. And I'm being this thorough, showing you these things thoroughly, because it is a newer car to 2016, but especially if someone really didn't care for it well, then you'd already see signs of wear on the upholstery, the buttons, especially if it wasn't kind of regularly washed. You'll start to get some corrosion on the door edges. And all this just really presents beautifully, and that's what I'm trying to portray in this video here. A bunch of factory stickers. Our Lexus plaque there. The sun's kind of washing that out. There we go. And the pedals, the carpet is in very nice shape in here as well. So now let's hop in and we'll start it up. Just a push of a button. Runs very smooth, starts very smooth. This only has around 60,000 miles on it. I believe 62,000 miles. So, a Lexus, or 63,000 miles, sorry. So we know the legendary reliability of a Lexus. It's really just broken in. So we've got our dual zone climate control to be able to adjust here. Everything works beautifully. We've got an array of buttons for our infotainment. Even it's kind of like a little mouse here. It's pretty cool how that works. And we've got heated and ventilated front seats. And a cool thing with this cup holder, if we push this button, we'll actually have to set this down first. You can push the front one down, and then if you push the button, it springs back up. I think that's really cool if you have maybe a travel mug or a taller beverage. You're worried about that tipping over or barely fitting. now with that deep cup holder, you can fit those items. It's really, really cool. I've got our driving mode selections here with this style and all this upholstery. I love the red stitching. It's all just in really nice shape, and it's very comfortable as well. And I love the kind of classy, classic looking clock in here. And when the lights come on, that is lit as well. It looks very, very nice. Checking out the condition of our steering wheel. Really no imperfections on the material. Buttons are all in very nice shape, no wear to speak of. Same thing with our stalks on the steering column. And the condition of the dash and the infotainment screen. And the flashing is just due to the camera. It is looking great in person. And now that I'm in the interior, I've shown you around a little bit. I'll go over some of the packages, so bear with me while I read these off here. So we have the 12.3-inch navigation package. That's over $2,000 just on its own, which of course we have that beautiful screen in our multifunction capabilities. We have the power rear door. We have a power tilt and slide moonroof, so let me show you that right now. If I aim my camera up. Headliner's in beautiful shape as well, we can see throughout the vehicle, especially it's a light headliner, which will show really any headliner, but a light one will show kind of stains and scuffs pretty easily. So that's in very nice shape. We have the moonroof, which works awesome. It's kind of hot out today, so I'm going to close that, but it works beautifully. And I'm going to rely on the AC to keep me nice and cool. So now back to our options this vehicle comes with here. We've got the heated and ventilated front seats, the heated leather steering wheel, so the steering wheel is heated. We've got the all-weather floor mats and cargo mat, which I showed you. The wheels on the outside, they're 20-inch, look awesome. Those are over $1,000 just for those, really a cool package. The premium package, so we've got the mirror memory and the driver's seat memory. We can see those three options there. And I'm kind of highlighting these packages. There's kind of more to them, but I don't want to make this portion kind of too much just reading. So if you're interested in like every single little thing this car has, definitely check out the listing on our website, AlphaCars.com. It'll be linked in this video and in the description. But just going over kind of the standout features, as this vehicle has really a lot of features on it. I believe the MSRP was over $50,000 when this was new. Blind spot monitoring, intuitive parking assist. We've got an accessory package, that black wood trim I had showed you, or the matte linear dark mocha wood trim. Sorry, not black. That's what happens when I go off of my own my own memory. So now that I've talked about some of the packages this has, we've gone over the interior. Let me pop the hood and I'll show you the engine compartment. It's very clean and very orderly, something I can appreciate. So as we go over to our engine compartment, very easy to open the hood. It's pneumatic, got pneumatic struts. We can see it just all presents beautifully, nothing out of the ordinary. So very nice indeed. Plastics are all in nice condition. So with all that, thank you for watching this video. If there's any questions you have on this Lexus, definitely check out the listing and give us a call at 978-263-9000. And that listing will give you all the details on this car, pricing, and it'll be very clear if the car is still available if you just take a look at that listing. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the daily motoring content. And until next time.